Now they're ready to go. This is Lola. Lola is ready to go. Right, Lola? Let me see your necklace. Look at that. Oh, look at her. She's ready to go. Hey, look at the mommy. And this is Paco, ready to go too. This is Paco, ready to go. He's a tough guy, right, Paco? Paco? He's a tough guy?
Across our nation today is a very
Paco?
winter storm already taking aim here on the northern
Is it good right here?
stretching across the Great Lakes and back into New England. The number of advisories.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ready to go. Ready to go. Let's go. She's gonna wait for me in the door. Paco, you ready to go? Let's go. She's not going because
a blizzard warning here in Kentucky, South Dakota, stretching back into western Minnesota. And we have winter storm warnings in the pink shaded areas, winter weather advisories in the purple.
I'm out.
You see these counties down here in far southeastern sections of South Dakota and down toward North